Hey everyone, I'm Josh Van Hunt. I'm a solutions engineer here at RapDev, and today we're going to talk with Lindsay about auto remediation using ServiceNow. Just as a quick intro, ServiceNow as a platform has a lot of capabilities that come into play. And we want to touch on one example, but kind of quickly run through the type of options you have available. So when we talk about automation on the ServiceNow platform, we have integration hub spokes, standard definitions that allow you to do actions against external systems. We can use direct REST for those that aren't encapsulated yet. We can use ACC as an agent-based component to directly integrate with other systems. And we have obviously overarching that also automation hub to address more consistent process flows or activities that require different technologies, for instance like RPA. So with the choice of options here, we just wanted to run through an example from event management, how we could leverage that capability to, without any manual intervention, come to a resolution. Lindsay.
All right, so let's say that we had an alert come in that was low disk space on a machine. What we would have is an alert rule that would be triggered off of certain conditions on that alert. So if those conditions are met, we would then trigger a flow. And what that flow will do is it's going to try to decide, is this something that we can resolve via automation, or is this something that needs to lead to an incident getting assigned to someone for manual remediation. So the first things that we could do is we can leverage ACC to actually get the metrics that we need. We need to evaluate. So for example, we might need to know the current disk space. We might need to know other metrics. So once we get that data and, it could go two ways. One way is, all of the conditions match. We can say, okay, this can be auto remediated. We can then call ACC again for the cleanup of that alert. Otherwise, if it needs something that needs to be manual, it would obviously just be assigned to an assignment group. And then, that incident would be closed out.
And one of the other factors to consider is in this process, you want to make sure you monitor the progress and be able to report on the success and failure rates. So in the back, there's an option for instance using incidents or other type of ticketing to keep track of that. So you can report on the success, you can report on failures, you can do trend analysis, and it also allows you to feedback and improve these kinds of flows that Lindsay and other engineers build.
All right, so I hope you learned something today. If you're interested about this or more solutions that RapDev provides, please visit us at rapdev.io. Thank you.